Hello, and thank you for watching Direct Systems Tutorials. Today we're going to go through how to add someone to the Move Coordinator drop-down list. So you're going to need access to the IBS Setup icon, and this is for Direct 10 or the SQL version. They're the same in how this works. And so you go into your IBS Setup icon to get to this screen, which is System Setup and Maintenance. Go to Setup Functions, and you're probably going to have to go to Passwords first because you need to make sure that that person has the modules ticked within their passwords of Customer Service Dispatch. So we'll go there, Passwords, select the company, and then find the user. And then we want to click on Edit, and we're going to go to the customer service parts of the permissions. Right now you can see it says System Main Menu. That's not what we want, so we're going to save through that and then save through it again. And then we're now in the Customer Service Dispatch Manager section of the permissions, but this isn't the right page. We want to save. This next page has Move Coordinator, Billing Coordinator, and this person is actually already ticked to show in that list, but it hasn't been updated yet in the right place. So we're going to go ahead and click on Save and save one more time until we see a cancel button, and then we can cancel out of there. We'll close that screen. Now this is the important step that usually does not get done, is we go to Setup Functions, User Job Roles, and when this screen comes up, we must select the company that we want them to be available in. If there's multiple companies that they need to be available to be selected, you need to do this in multiple companies. But we're just looking at Direct Systems Demo Company for right now. So we're going to go and highlight Peggy's name. If the person is not showing on this list that should be there, click on the Refresh from Passwords, because that will bring through everybody that should be on this screen. But please note that people who are not in this company will show on this screen. Therefore, just make sure that you've selected the correct company when you're doing this, and that that person actually has permissions within that company. So then highlight the person's name, click on Edit, and we're going to add them as Move Coordinator and click on Save. And that's all we need to do in the IBS Setup section. Now we go to the Customer Service module, and this is when we will then see that when we select the correct company, Move Coordinator does now have the new person there, and that was not there before we started. Now, if you select a different company, you'll notice that that new name is not there because you have not added it to that company, but it will be there for the company that you selected it for. I hope that's been helpful. This is one of those weird things that can take a little getting used to. So do call us if you have any questions in going through the process. Thank you very much, and let us know any other videos that you would like to have recorded. Thank you.